Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Galaxy F05 and Galaxy M05. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two phones come in the same size and weight. Next compare display features. They offer 6.7 inches PLS LCD display and the same display features. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the Mediatek chipset and the same hardware features. When it comes to the camera features, they offer 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel rear cameras, and also 8 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. They offer 5000 mAh battery with 25W wire charging. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.